You ready?
I'm ready. The journey begins.
What the hell?
Oh wow.
That's the old one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, it's a circle in the tree. You having fun playing recorder? Oh, look at the colors. Oh, that's nice. Well, this is the only one you can traverse up. Did you walk in sticky?
Hmm? I gave one to you.
I think this is only one part that looks like the hard trail. Shoot. Camera lady. How's it looking? Changing of colors. Making the way to Stewart Falls. Okay, you have fun up here. It's a nice hike. Chipmunks. Squirrels. Morning.
How are you guys?
All right, how are you doing?
Hi, Cooper.
I picked up on the sounds. On the trees. GoPro twice. A lot of people on the trail today. Oh, a lot of fallen trees. Here we have the trail slowly and enjoying pine. Wow. I'm off the beaten path. Here's vantage point. You see people walking up the trail. Colors of the fall season start to happening. And then the mountain. Pine cones hanging. Here a lot of people coming around, enjoying this day. Pine cones. Well traveled path, the Buggersville Pottery.
A white tree. Gray tree.
Some roots. So, watch your feet. I like this hike so far.
I like it. I like it that it's gradual.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I don't know. Cedar or birch? Or aspen? Fern.
Like the Maui ones.
Same family guarantee.
You can take the leads if you like to walk faster. Okay. Let me incline up. It ain't sure it's on YouTube. Get some inclines.
Henry? Hey, what's up, bro? Damn.
I haven't seen you in years.
Yeah. How you been?
Yeah.
You doing a nice hike today?
Yeah.
I've been sitting with my dad and my sisters and my brother-in-law.
Do you live back here now?
I live in downtown Salt Lake.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because after I graduated from you, that's pretty much where I've been at.
Gotcha. Very cool.
Thing.
Served in Belize together.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nothing
in Belize together. Jeez.
Yeah.
All the goodies that you got.
Yeah.
Post this on Facebook and since
One.
we're friends already.
2, 3.
I just came
It's a
down.
good day. It's nice and cool today,
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Good to see you, bro.
Yeah, it's good to see
Anything
you.
else you on Facebook in the post?
Yep.
It's nice meeting
Nice
you.
to meet
Take
you.
care.
Bye, guys.
Oh, you got a small world there.
Oh, what a smoke.
On a trail.
And I looked at him and was like, oh, dude, I know this kid.
Henry?
No, we walked.
Oh, Phil Tree had things cold.
Yeah.
Oh, so he went to Belize after you?
Yeah, because then when he came, he probably was there for a couple of days and then I left afterwards. Because he ended up going to the other mission.
Oh,
But then we started off at mine. I wanted to go to the other mission, but I only had one change that we couldn't go.
I can hear on GoPro, you hear all these people coming up. It's a heavy use trail. Wow.
So I figured with what you call bringing it was there, the resort. I'm going to imagine this must be a
Well, Saturdays, you know, everybody's not working Saturdays, so everybody's having a blast.
this must be a hike that everybody likes to go on Saturday.
This is beautiful.
Nice.
Oh, look at this meadow. Nice open meadow. Mountain range. Loud people. 2 jungle bunnies up there. Look like they know what they're doing.
More like 2 gorillas.
On the loose. Look at this. Oh!
Eagle.
That's an eagle?
That's an eagle. That's a wing.
There's no eagles over here. That's what he's after. It's a hawk.
It's coming.
According to the Google,
Am I getting it?
Yeah.
the kids all the time. That's your dirt.
Yeah.
2 loud monkeys.
Gosh, you can hear them all.
How's that?
That's awesome.
Oh, he's coming closer. Still got him in the viewfinder?
Yeah, I still got them.
And 2 loudmouths. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at that. One mile already. Recording and map my hike at the same time. Open meadows. Jeez. Get myself ready to used to do stateside hikes because gotta do a hunt. I gotta do a hunt. As you can see, all this lovely forestry. Look like it had an avalanche prior because all of the trees are tilted downwards and bent. And you can hear my breathing, different elevation, sea level, the mountain. I actually get some fern in between, and then the mountains. Wow. Oh, it's a Kodak moment. Don't believe me? Look at this. You actually can see a ranger station across.
You can see the lift.
Can't go wrong. You see the skyline? Part of ski resort. My other GoPro bouncing on my head. That's okay. Look at this. Okay, now decline. They forgot to mention in the in the YouTube. So coming back, we just take our sweet time. The photographer in the back. Oh, it's gonna be fun coming back up. It's okay. It's worth the trip.
Hi.
Hello.
I like your GoPro.
Thanks.
Go Utah. Oh yeah, I see the waterfall.
Oh, Dairy Queen stop after this. Going to an open spot. Stop to look at Stewart Falls from this vantage point. There's two of them on the side, one on the side more. Wow.
What the hell? Yeah.
I'm just enjoying the view from this point. Can't help it. Okay, let's go down. I hear the falls calling. I think Henry's gonna be crazy enough to walk underneath the falls with my GoPro. Little shot from the bush. I'm in the jungle. Whew. Wow. San Jose in Hawaii. I hate to be here when it snows up here. I like cold. Not too cold. I think they lied. Oh, look at this view. Damn. Okay. Didn't mention about this part on the trail. They lied. Not. They never include the part about rockiness. Used to. Yeah, they forgot about that. You know, the notion about adding in this part. Easy, moderate. You got declines and inclines. So you got decline. Coming back up, we're kicking our butt. Could be an incline. Wow. Okay, now the fun part. We're looking down to everybody down below. Secondary falls. Around. Stewart Falls. First tier. Two boys is killing it. And people going flying down, surf up. I don't think so. So I take the bypass down here behind me. Slow and easy. This is cool. Take our time. I'm enjoying the view. Wow. Here's Stewart Falls. Camera girl. Hey. Yo. The stream. Big feet in the water. Not gonna wet too much. Stewart Falls. First pier. You see some people making their way up there. I'm not a billy goat. Not a view. So I'm looking for a pathway to get down there. I see one, so let's see what happens. See if I walk across. Ice water. Oh, pretty the flowers. You feel a droplet. Only left behind the Gatorade. What can I say? Nature is best. Okay, I'm not crazy, but not that crazy. I ain't about to get wet.